Okay, we have a 110 gram mass and a 100 gram mass, just to show you. That's clearly heavier on this side. But I wanted to show you a weird experiment where you could actually see the radius of motion changing. And so I'm going to get this thing swinging like a pendulum, like that, and now I'm going to let go. And let's go ahead and watch this one. So in this instance, while it's swinging, we see that sometimes the radius is changing, and it's starting to get a little bit out of plane there. Sorry about that. I probably need to dial in the pulley, the distances of the pulleys from here a little bit, but let's run it one more time. And maybe I'm not swinging it perfectly in plane as well. But the idea is, depending on how fast it swings, it's either going to go up or down. And as it swings, the radius is increasing and decreasing. The distance from here to that blue mass down there is increasing or decreasing. So you could view this as circular motion with the radius changing. And the speed is changing and all kinds of things. That's it.